There's something unique about the video that I'm going to talk about. This video is a record breaker on this channel in the sense that it got about 25,000 views within a period of 2 weeks. This hasn't happened on this channel before. Now, not only being a record breaker, this video also came with a lot of controversies. Like, a few weeks after I uploaded the video, I started getting negative comments about what I shared in the video. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you why I created this video and how I created it, and also share the analytics with you, and also show you how you can incorporate a particular feature that probably no one has talked about on YouTube. So this feature will enable you to highlight errors that you made in your videos. For example, if you made a wrong reference or you said something mistakenly in your video, you can highlight it, by adding a card on the video, letting people watching the video that there was an error in that particular point of the video. So now I'm going to take you into the analytics of this video. So right here, this is the first 24 hours of the video. This is how the analytics look like. In the first 24 hours of this video, the video got 2,500 views with 196.8 watch time hours, 58 subscribers, and earned $7.32. This is the first 24 hours of this video. Now, when you check at the thumbnail, you see that this thumbnail is just basic, because this is my new strategy on this channel. Like, I always dedicate more time to writing my title, because I believe, and this is my opinion, that the title has more impact than the thumbnail. This might not be applicable to some niches, but like in my own case, I have discovered that writing compelling titles can encourage people to click to watch your videos. Apart from the thumbnail, most of my thumbnails, I do crop out, do a screenshot of a particular frame in my video and add maybe 1 or 2 texts with some expression in it. Like this, if you watch this video, you see that I wore the same shirt, and also there was where I was making emphasis on something, so I just screenshot that particular frame from the video and add a text on it. So when you check on the click-through rate of this video in the first 24 hours, you will see that in the first hour it got up to 10% click-through rate, which is okay, and this suggests that my viewers or my audience that were online as of that time were interested, that they have a good number of them have interest in watching the video or knowing what the video is all about. So from there it dropped to 9.2 and then went up to 11.8, and the rest are they are all in single digits. So typically I wouldn't have expected this video to go further within a short period of time, but there's something we need to understand about about the YouTube algorithm. Sometimes you might have the best thumbnail, your video might have the best title, but might end up not working very well. This could be that at that particular moment you uploaded the video that you expected that could have done very well, at that particular time you uploaded the video, probably your audience have something else in mind, or they are interested in something else, so they might eventually come back to watch the video. So my typical, I will show you an example of a video on my channel that got over 140,000 views within months. So I want you to compare this. Like, if you see on this video has gotten over 140,000 views. You can see that the click-through rate in the first 24 hours were just impressive. Like, you can see double digit initially before it started going down, and it maintained like 8% and above. But when you compare it with this particular video, this video I'm talking about, you see that this video is less than like average of 6% or even 5%. So when you start getting click-through rate like this, that don't necessarily mean that your video might not perform very well. It could suggest that as of the time you uploaded that video, maybe your audience aren't on the on the internet or on YouTube. Or maybe if they're on YouTube, especially when you publish it, when YouTube suggests that your audience are online, when you publish that time and they don't respond, that shows that they don't have interest in that particular topic. Not necessarily that your thumbnail is not okay or your title is not appealing. And sometimes at the end of the day, you might end up, after some days or weeks, you can notice that the video will start performing very well. Who knows, probably the day I uploaded this video, that was the day Ronaldo and Mr. were doing their thing. So every attention goes to their channel. So anybody seeing my notification might just ignore it for the meantime and watch what interests them as of that moment, and maybe they might later come back. And this was what actually happened to this video, because at the onset it wasn't, the analytics wasn't impressive, the metrics weren't impressive, but along the line it started gaining momentum and then got over 25,000 views within a period of 2 weeks. This shows that this video will perform very well, but not as much as the other video that has about 8-point-something click-through rates. Like for example, this video, when I check the current stats since upload, you can see that it has dropped. So what this shows is that the more YouTube publish your video outside your audience, there's every possibility that the click-through rate will be going down. That doesn't mean that the video is not performing very well anymore, because the more views a video gets, there's every high chances that the click-through rate will be coming down, because as YouTube is promoting your video outside your audience, it is also testing different audience interests. So as it is testing it with different audience interests, there's possibility that some set of audience will probably reject it, some will accept it. So the proportion of those that will reject it will definitely be high, especially if it is a niched content. You get the point. So in the overall, this video got 27,700 views with 2,000 watch time hours, with 941 subscribers, and has earned $197.31. That is almost $200. So if you check at the CPM and RPM, YouTube paid $7.34 for every 1,000 views, and advertisers paid $14.27 for every 1,000 views. And mind you, this is a US dollar. So let me just show you, this typically my way. It is a US dollar, not a Canadian dollar. So this video earned $7.34 for every 1,000 views. So now coming to the mistake, I talked about how to use promotions in your YouTube studio to get 1,000 subscribers in a day. So that brought a lot of controversies, and some people were commenting that it doesn't work. So along the line, when I made further research, I discovered that probably what they were saying might be correct. So I have to make another video to also correct myself. But after I did that second video, the following day, I found out that what I shared in the first video was actually right. So now I have to make correction to the second video. That's the correction. I have to make correction to the second video. I mean, to say that what I said was wrong was actually right. So, typically I would have just, bring down this video or did it, or private it from my channel for people not to see it. But I was still, because I was very sure of what I was sharing, what I shared in that video. But You know, people will always come with different opinions, and mind you, sometimes you don't need to take every comment on your videos to heart, because some of the commenters or some that comment on your videos, a good number of them don't even watch the video to the end. They may just watch the first minute or second minute and then form an opinion about the video and start dropping negative things. So please, if you have experienced such on your channel, please let us know how you handled those negative comments. Now, coming to the second video, because of I discovered that this thing actually worked before I published the second video. So I went to the description of the second video and now added this option, correction. This, I believe many of us, probably 99% of us, haven't heard of this particular feature on YouTube. So what this feature does is that when you make a wrong reference or you make some wrong mention in your video, so with this you can just drop a card at that particular point where you made a mistake and alert people that this is not correct, this is the correct thing, something like that. So in this second video, I added this correction at this particular time of the video, because around this 7 minutes in the video, I made the comment that I made a mistake, which turned out that wasn't a mistake. So you can see what I did. I added this correction with colon and then added the minute. That's at the point where I made that comment, and then I now added, it turns out that the subscribers from promotion did count towards monetization. So now I'm going to open this particular video. I'm going to play this video from my phone so that you can see how this correction card, how it appears on the video. So this is the video that I made as a correction to the first video that I shared the particular promotion process. So here now I'm going to take the playhead down to around the 7 minute mark so that you can see how this correction card will appear. So I'm around somewhere 6:50. So let it play. So you watch. I see around this 7 minutes. So you can see that the view correction appeared here. This is where I made the wrong comment, that the first video was in an error, which turned out not to be an error. So like now, if your viewers sees this correction card on the screen, when they click on it, it will not explain what this card is all about. With this, your viewers will know that there was a correction within that period. So whenever you make a mistake on your videos, an honest mistake, I think it is better that you insert this correction tag or correction card on your videos, so that when people are watching your video, they can know that, okay, at this particular point, this is what you actually mean or what you actually meant. So that is it. So just imagine that because of 1 or 2 comments, I ended up deleting this video. You can see how much I would have lost. I would have lost like about $200, just what I should have gotten within 2 weeks. So this also shows that you don't respond, we don't quickly respond to comments, like especially negative comments. And most of the people that commented, that made these negative comments, though some of them is from the heart of love, but sometimes the way they put it out might be somehow confusing. So eventually I tried the process again on another channel and found out that the subscribers from promotions actually count towards monetization. So let me know in the comment section if you have used this particular feature before, and if you are planning to use it in the future. Like maybe you already have a video that you regretted uploading before. Being a content creator is not easy. Creating, especially if you're in the educational niche, is not easy, because before you come out to say something or share something on your channel, you must verify it very well, because that will also be what that can be, you know, the backbone of your success on this platform. So give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful. And also, I'm going to give a shout out to one of my YouTube friends that I discussed this issue to. I told her and she told me not to pull it down, rather let me, you know, make a second video to, you know, to explain what happened in the first one. And it eventually turned out that everything worked perfectly. So that's another reason why you should have networks of creators, you know, like-minded creators around you, so that when you have issues, you can see someone you can share it with, you can reason together. So right now, if you don't have a YouTube friend, try to have one. So they will help you a lot. So thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.